Welcome to SCA Study Bites with Miss Morris, where we solve common SCA mathematics problems one lesson at a time. In today's lesson, we'll be learning all about pictographs. We'll learn how to read the key, interpret the information, and answer some common SCA style questions. A pictograph is a way of showing data using pictures or symbols. This is an example of a pictograph. Each pictograph has a title, and the title is usually at the top. This pictograph is based on the FIFA World Cup winners. Each pictograph also has a key. A key is a drawing or symbol that represents a number. In this pictograph, we use trophies. One trophy is used to represent 2 World Cup titles. Now that we've gone through the basics, let's look at interpreting data on the pictograph. How many World Cup titles has Germany won? Germany has 2 trophy symbols on the pictograph. Remember to look at the key first. Since each trophy represents 2 World Cup titles, we multiply 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, Germany has won 4 World Cup titles. Let's look at another question. How many World Cup titles has Argentina won? Argentina has 1.5 trophy symbols in the pictograph. Since each trophy represents 2 World Cup titles, we simply multiply 1.5 by 2. 1.5 by 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, Argentina has won 3 World Cup titles. Let's do some practice questions. How many World Cup titles has Brazil won? You get it? The answer is 5. Brazil has 2.5 symbols, therefore 2.5 times 2 is equal to 5. Which 2 countries have won 1 World Cup title? If you guessed England and Spain, the answer is correct. How many titles has Italy won? The answer is 4. Which 2 countries have won 2 World Cup titles? The answer is France and Uruguay. How many more World Cup titles has Brazil won than Spain? The answer is 4. It's time for the super question. You have 10 seconds to answer the question on the screen. How many FIFA World Cup tournaments have been played thus far? The answer is 22. If we add all the trophies together, we'll count a total of 11 trophies. Since 1 trophy represents 2 titles, if we multiply 11 times 2, we will get 22. Thanks for learning with me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Remember, part 2 is coming next. To learn with the real life Miss Morris and the Grade A team, visit www.gradeatutoringtt.com. You can join our group classes, book one-on-one tutoring, explore our SCA booklets by topic, and download our free SCA checklist from the resources tab. See you next time on SCA Study Bites.